That's scary now.
M40 northbound carriageway junction 4 has reopened, but there's still a lane closed, so you've still got big queues if you're heading up through, and surrounding groups are still a struggle, so if you're using the A40 as an alternative, it's a kind of case of choosing the queue, but it is
That's
now
mental.
M25 anti-clockwise heading to the Doctor Tunnel, still slow from junction 2. M23 on the southbound side, down from the M25 to 9 at the cable, there's a breakdown, one lane is shut, and finally to the M3 northbound between 10 and 9, we just to the Willow roundabout.
Ah, it's destroying our hay. Jesus.
Thinking amongst now, this is a serious thing here. This is an item Jeremy's doing tomorrow. I just had Phil, my friend Phil, in and produces Jeremy. He said, could you just crank this out for us? Of course. Tomorrow on the Jeremy Vine Show, Jeremy's going to be asking, do you... I'm not going to do it in his voice. No. Do you love football? But you've realised you'll
Oh my God.
On Saturday. Well, the Jeremy Vine Show is going to...
That is insane.
On tomorrow. We'll be offering advice.
Whoa. He doesn't look very happy. Still going. Bloody hell. I'm gonna get in it. Shit. Oh my God. That's another 50, 60 foot high oak tree. A reference. Ah.